Labor Day is a holiday that celebrates the contributions and achievements of workers in various industries. This holiday is a time to relax and appreciate the efforts of individuals who contribute to society. Interestingly, Labor Day has a connection to the story of creation in the Bible. In the book of Genesis, God created the world in 6 days and rested on the seventh day, which became the Sabbath. On the Sabbath, God rested from his work, setting an example for believers to take time off from their labors as well. Labor Day can be seen as a modern-day reflection of this biblical concept of rest and rejuvenation. Just as God observed a day of rest after working, Labor Day allows us to pause and honor our hard work. It reminds us of the importance of finding balance in our lives and taking time to replenish our energy. While Labor Day is primarily a secular holiday, it offers an opportunity for people of faith to reflect on the biblical principles of work and rest. By taking a break and spending time with loved ones, we can show gratitude for the blessings God has given us. Labor Day also serves as a reminder to advocate for fair working conditions and workers' rights. It is a time to recognize the ongoing struggles for justice and equality in the workforce. As we enjoy this holiday, let us remember the value of work and the need for rest and respect for all workers. May we use this day to reflect on the blessings we have received through our labors, as well as the responsibilities we have towards others. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, and leave prayer requests.